Hi, there is Shenzhen Zmotion Technology Company Limited. Mainly for automation control area. There are motion controllers, network and PC-based motion control cards, vision motion controllers, expansion modules, and HMI. In former lessons, we have talked about how to use motion controller. Now, let's learn how to use Zmotion VPLC Vision Motion Controller. Zmotion provides two series of vision motion controllers. VPLC 5 series and VPLC 7 series. They both support Zmotion Vision Algorithm RT Vision. To do vision positioning, vision measurement, vision detection, blob analysis, etc. Except motion control and machine vision functions. They can be used as one IPC. VPLC 5 supports Linux system. The main model is VPLC 532E. VPLC 7 supports Windows system. The main model is VPLC 711. If you are interested in them, you can go to Zmotion product page for details. Okay, today, Lesson 1, 3 parts will be talked. Machine Vision Introduction. Hardware Environment Establishment. Software Environment Establishment. Let's begin. Use machine to simulate human eyes for automatic recognition and judgment. This is called machine vision. And for one complete machine vision system. It includes 3 modules. Optical system, graphic processing system, and interaction. And this shows the full process and corresponding functions. Step 1. Please select suitable light source and lens. Under different lighting ways, use the camera to take the picture. And the graphic sensor of the camera will convert it to graphic signals. Step 2. Process and analyze the obtained graphic. Transfer it to controller at first. Then it will pre-process the graphic to simply graphic data, including expansion, erosion, opening, closing, binarization, filtering, etc. Change graphic signals to digital signals according to pixel, brightness, color, etc. During this process, all kinds of operations are used to extract needed features. Next, positioning, detect, and measure these features. Then, enter the last step, do data interaction. Control the device, do corresponding result actions. This kind of vision technology in AI area is one important branch. Then, many industries start to do technological change. That is, for some traditional manual detection industries. Automated intelligent detection will be used instead. Because the manual vision is not suitable for dangerous environment. And obviously, in bulk production, it has the problems of unstable quality, low efficiency, and accuracy. Then, machine vision can solve that in a way. Machine vision can integrate information easily. Not only easy and rapid to obtain graphic information, but also process obtained information to achieve control requirements. Therefore, in nowadays automation production, machine vision system is widely used in areas of detection, quality control. According to these, Zmotion own VPLC Vision Motion Controller can provide you with machine vision and motion control solution. Fully support vision automatic detection development. Generally, machine vision is applied in these 4 applications. Defect detection. Detect the material surface. Industrial measurement. Measure the appearance, size, etc. Vision positioning. Check its position for machine actions, for example, capturing. Information recognition. Identify different objects and targets, like character, QR code, shape, color, etc. Enter next part. Part 2 is about hardware devices. That is, industrial camera and our VPLC Vision Motion Controller. As mentioned above, graphic collecting is initial step. It is done by industrial camera. Compared to other standard digital cameras, industrial camera is more durable. Because it must be with some properties under hard environment, such as high temperature, high humidity, dust, etc. According to different types, there are many kinds of cameras. Therefore, when you develop your vision motion control programs, please select the most suitable industrial camera. When the graphic is collected by the camera, it will be transferred into our VPLC Vision Motion Controller. Take the example VPLC 532E for you. VPLC 532E supports Linux system. Motion control and machine vision are integrated. For hardware, its high integration brings rich communication and I/O interfaces and powerful functions. For software, it can be programmed flexibly. You can program it by all kinds of PC languages or Zmotion RT Basic. Let's see some details. Here shows VPLC 532E hardware interfaces. It can be seen there are 2 gigabit Ethernet ports. For USB ports, USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. 1 EtherCAT, RS485, RS232, CAN. And 1 HDMI interface. It is like one small IPC. Also, there are 6 board pulse axis interfaces, digital inputs and outputs. If you need more resources, EtherCAT and CAN interfaces can be connected to expansion modules. When you use VPLC 532E Vision Motion Controller, these motion control functions and machine vision functions can be done. It has EtherCAT, which can control EtherCAT drives. Itself 32 drives can be connected at the same time, because it supports 32-axis motion control. Also, there are many model specifications. If you only need 4 axes or 6 axes or others, all are okay. Then, all kinds of complex motion control can be done. Because it not only supports types of interpolation, electronic cam, but also supports PSO, precision output, fly shooting, etc. What's more, Zmotion provides more than 30 kinds of manipulator models for you. For machine vision, positioning, matching, detection, measurement, etc. More details, please check the user manual. Based on its powerful functions, it can be applied in many high-speed and high-precision automated industries. For example, semiconductor, laser, printing, dispensing, robot, etc. Part 3, Software Programming. Corresponding programming information will be talked, and one simple vision routine will be operated. VPLC 532E supports secondary development for your specific project achievement. It can be developed by PC languages. Zmotion provides a PI library file. Also, Zmotion own RT basic language can be used in RTSys at the same time. RTSys is Zmotion developed free IDE programming software. It can develop program through RT basic. For vision, RT vision can be checked. Also, there are RTPLC, RTHMI languages. After programmed, you can download the program into VPLC 532E by RTSys. Then real-time debug the program in RTSys. There are many tools inside. You can download it and simulate it to test in advance. Former lesson about RTSys also can help you. Okay, now, let's see one example directly. These are 6 collected graphics in advance. Show you how to calculate the number of materials in graphic. If you want to how to collect graphic by Qt, please check last lesson. Open RTSys at first. Then build new project file. The suffix is ZPJ. But please note save it into one folder. Then, build one new basic file and one HMI file. Basic can program motion control and vision functions. HMI can design window interface. Copy the edited codes into here directly. These are programmed by RT basic vision commands. You can check RT Vision Programming Manual. And if you need source codes, please contact us. HMI is programming through adding widgets. Okay, do connection. Here, we connect to simulator for showing. Download the program. Open HMI interface. It can be seen it shows calculated result in right. It is calculating all the time. And left is the original graphic, showing here. Actually, it includes graphic reading and showing, binarization, counting, and showing. Let's see how to achieve. Check codes. It reads graphics at first. The graphic has been collected before. Therefore, there is no graphic collecting. They are in Flash. Read them from Flash in cycle to this variable. And show it into latch channel 0. Correspondingly, set one latch 0 channel ZV0 in HMI. We can test it. Remove the following part. And download the program again. Open HMI. Obviously, it reads graphics in cycle and show in this channel. The right channel is ZV1. If writes 1 command again here. Save it in channel 1. See, it is shown in write also. Therefore, please confirm correct channel number. Okay, see next part. Resume it. Do binarization, hole filling. And generate the binarized area. Same, remove this, check the effect. Download again. See, binarized graphic is shown now. Then, in this area, calculate the connection area. One material means one connection area. Use this command to generate the area list. And filter needed pixel area. Then, this can be used to count the number. Result is saved into table. The last part, show result in cycle. Therefore, the effect is achieved like this. That's all for today. Lesson 1 of VPLC 532E usage. You also can check corresponding article in Zmotion support page. Thank you for your watching. And welcome to communicate with you. See you next time.